你好，我叫萍，欢迎来跟萍学中文。
Today we're going to learn
how to say what you do for work and ask what someone's occupation is.
Now let's talk about what you do for work. First, let's learn a few common occupational terms. Teacher, 老师 Student, 学生 Attorney, 律师 Doctor, 医生 Accountant, 会计师 Engineer, 工程师
How do we ask, what do you do for work? We know the basic Chinese sentence structure is subject, verb, and object, which we talked about in our previous episode entitled 3 Chinese Language Components. I'll put the link in the description section down below. You can watch it to gain a good understanding of the Chinese language. In order to ask what someone does for work, we need to introduce a few new words, 生词 first. 做 to do something. 什么 is what. Does not have a marked tone, which is a neutral tone. 工作 job or occupation. 什么工作 what job. 什么工作 To ask, what do you do for work? You follow the subject, verb, object order. Literally will be you do what job. You is 你 do is 做 what job 什么工作你做什么工作 To answer,
Basic structure is 我是 and then you put the occupation after 是. That will be what do you do for work? I am what? Let's say I'm an engineer. 我是工程师 I'm a doctor. 我是医生 I'm a lawyer. 我是律师 I'm a teacher. 我是老师 I'm a student. 我是学生 好, let's recap what we have learned today.
we learned how to tell someone of your job. We also learned how to ask about someone's occupation, a list of common occupation terms.
再见，下次见。